With this method that we are going to talk about today, you can possibly get $100 every 30 minutes in PayPal money with one simple platform that no one is talking about. You can do this worldwide, from anywhere in the world, and as a complete beginner. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get started today. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about on how to make money online with PayPal. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So let's go ahead and check out my PayPal right here. As you could see, a nice big PayPal payment sent to me by simply for logging in into this one platform. Now, results are not guaranteed. You may earn more than this, the same, or maybe a little bit less. But I could tell you one thing. If you don't follow the exact steps throughout the entire video, then results like this will definitely not be possible for you. So make sure to not skip over into any of the steps. And lastly, we are going to talk about this one. So if we go on over to Google Trends right here, and this is a wonderful website to kind of see what is trending. So what I searched here was unemployment, and as you can see in the past 90 days, it seems to be ticking upwards, right? It seems to be like a nice steady upward trend of people searching unemployment or unemployment benefits, that kind of thing. So we know that there's people out there that are unemployed and that they need money, especially free PayPal money. So now that I have tackled everything that you need to know, the next thing to do is to head on to your browser, and right up here, just go ahead and search Offer Vault. Right after searching Offer Vault, you will be presented with this website right here, Offer Vault, with this logo that they have. Just go ahead and click on it and it will lead you to this website right here. So as you can see, there's multiple offers in here that you could go ahead and take. For example, with this one, Mega Mobi, its payout is $2.40 if someone go ahead and click on this link. But of course, in this tutorial, we are going to be focusing on the PayPal gift card. So in order to acquire those PayPal gift cards, the next thing to do is to go ahead and go through the search bar right here and just go ahead and search for PayPal gift cards. So right now we are at PayPal gift card. For example, with the first one right here, if someone go ahead and click with your link, you will be receiving a total of $16 per email. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this second offer right here. Sweepstakes, $750 PayPal gift card. You could go ahead and enter this giveaway on your own email if you want to, but in order to acquire those affiliate links, just go ahead and click on the PayPal link. So right now we are inside that offer. As you can see, the payout is around $3.25. So the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on the run offer right here. So they will redirect you into this website right here called Hola Vivo Partner Benefits. And if you go ahead and scroll down, you will go ahead and see the benefits right here. Hola Vivo Media Partners or Affiliate Benefits, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly payments, live and real-time reports. Publishers, advertisers are checked thoroughly. So you could go ahead and see the benefits right here. What you want to do is to go ahead and click on "It's time to join us" partner button right here. And once you go ahead and click that, you will now need to register into their website. You have your last name right here, first name, gender, birth date, company name, and website URL. So if you don't have your company name, don't worry, you don't have to fill this out. And for the website URL, if you don't have your own website, you could just go ahead and put your Instagram profile right here, or maybe your Facebook or whatever that's connected within your personal account. So just go ahead and register through this site, and once you're done, we're now ready for the second step. So before we proceed, I'm just gonna show you what the giveaway looks like. So this is it right here. And when someone click through your link, they will be presented with this giveaway page right here. They will just be asked 3 simple questions. For the first one is, do you have Cash App? So let's just go ahead and put on yes. How old are you? I'm just gonna go ahead and select this. So this is the last question right here. How many times do you use Facebook per week? We're just gonna go ahead and choose this one, 7 to 9 hours maybe. And it's gonna go ahead and load into this website right here. And it's going to ask for my first name, last name, and my email. So when someone entered through your affiliate link, and if that someone entered their email, you will receive the commission fee based on the offer vault right here, which in our situation is $3.25. So the next thing to do is we're gonna go ahead and advertise our affiliate link into a Facebook page right here. And the best way you could do that is through Facebook groups. So just go ahead and search Make Money Online on Facebook. So I find this one the best right here, Make Money Online USA. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it. And this is a public group. You don't need to join in or have someone invited you inside this group right here. So what you want to do when you're inside this group is to go ahead and find some engaging posts. For example, I find this one. I bet $5,000 right now I can find one woman that don't wear makeup every day, Christmas giveaway. So if you go ahead and browse through these comments right here, it has 75 comments, which is pretty good. And if you go ahead and click through the replies right here, they will go ahead and leave their own link. So what you want to do is to go ahead and just copy this post right here and post it on your own, or you could go ahead and construct your own engaging post. And when people reply through your post, it's gonna get more traffic, which in result will get you more comments. And with all of the comments stacking up, the only thing that you need to do is to go ahead and leave your link right through their comments. And in that way, you're gonna earn money passively without doing any of the hard stuff. Now the second way to actually promote your link is just to go ahead and create your own YouTube Shorts. Now you don't need to show your face online or something else like that. Maybe if you're shy about your voice, you don't need to do any of that. Now look at this example right here. He's just recording his screen and he has managed to garner around 369k views, which is really good if we are trying to promote something. Now we are going to use all of that engagement to try people to click through our link. Now if we go ahead and preview the video right here, he's literally just recording his screen. It doesn't have his voice or his face, and if you go ahead and see the comments, it's just a bunch of people commenting how to get them, and he's just leaving his affiliate link on those comments. Now if we go ahead and browse through the second video right here, it's the exact same thing where people are leaving a bunch of comments on how to get them. Those people are tend to click on the link that you provide them because they are curious enough. So going back to the offer vault, there's a lot of offers here that you could go ahead and take advantage of. And that is only the beginning of it, what I've discussed today. So just go ahead and experiment on what this site offers, and if you follow these steps carefully, you'll probably earn money passively by the end of the video. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.